We have Canada, Cote d'Ivoire, and Cuba. Well, to be honest, Cuba is such a goddess, an angel in this photo. No women can beat Cuba in this photo. Cote d'Ivoire is next and followed by Canada. In this photo, well, Chile and Bangladesh, they were both enjoying with each other, but Chile stood out more in her height, in her angelic face, her beauty, her blonde hair, and her slim physique, her charm and charisma. Chile is such a goddess. We have Ecuador, Argentina, Mexico, and Costa Rica in one frame. Well, I feel Argentina is the most beautiful, followed by Mexico. And the two women is so gorgeous too, but Argentina is my bet. And Mexico is so stunning. We have Russia, Turkey, Senegal, and Serbia. Well, Miss Russia stood out for me. No doubt about it. And next is Turkey, followed by Serbia and Senegal. They are all uniquely beautiful. We have Singapore and Indonesia, two Southeast Asian women in one frame, but I love Indonesia more compared to Singapore. But they were both stunning, have that innocent face, and Indonesia got those appeal and charm for me. And we have two Latina in one frame. Left is Puerto Rico and the right is Spain. Well, they were both strikingly gorgeous. They have pretty smiles, and I just love both of them. But for me, Puerto Rico got those catchy feelings and smiles. We have Guyana, Sri Lanka, and UAE. Well, Sri Lanka is the most prettiest for me in this whole photo, and the rest of the two women are gorgeous too. And I just love the cuteness of Sri Lanka. Next, my friends, we have Zambia and Philippines. Black and white photo. Well, Zambia is such a goddess too from the Africa as well as Philippines. They were both strong. I can wish they can place at the Miss Universe competition. And what's more, we have US Virgin Islands, Vietnam, British Virgin Islands, and Ghana. Well, no doubt, Vietnam stood out in this photo. She's unique, even though she's a trans woman, but she's like a woman to see at this photo. She looked like a real woman. Next up, we have Zimbabwe and Thailand. Well, for me, Thailand really stood out compared to Miss Zimbabwe, but we have to admit that Zimbabwe got that height and the looks too. She's an incredible black woman, and Thailand is fabulous. We have Guyana again and Croatia. Well, for me, Croatia stood out compared to Miss Guyana, and Croatia got those sexy look and those charm and those elegance and that seductive face. And last photo, we have Honduras on the left and Portugal on the right. While Portugal is such a goddess compared to Honduras. Well, I wish Portugal can place at the Miss Universe. She's so pretty. I like her so much.